Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, and welcome to my guide. Today, we are going to be doing another essential oil breakdown, this time on jasmine. Jasmine has almost forever been one of my favorite flowers. I've always loved the smell of it, and the oil is certainly no exception. The biggest barrier to entry for this oil is the price. It usually runs around 80-ish dollars Canadian or so, somewhere around there, which is quite pricey relative to the vast majority of essential oils in my collection. Maybe give or take one or two. I do have sacred frankincense, and pretty sure that's my most expensive oil. Pretty sure. I don't know. I got a lot of bottles kicking around, but I'm pretty sure. It doesn't matter for the sake of this video, of course. All I can say is before I get into the profile, always consult your doctor before use. Now let's check out its profile. It is most commonly described as having a rich, floral, and tea-like aroma. Its common uses are depression, dry skin, exhaustion, labor pains, and sensitive skin. Its method of extraction is actually solvent extracted, which is pretty cool. This is, as far as I know, the first real oil we've covered. We will be doing videos on all the different methods of extraction in the future, so just keep an eye out for those, but it's pretty neat. And it blends well with bergamot, cedarwood, lavender, lemon, orange, rose, and sandalwood. And under uses, just use it with a carrier oil. Particularly at higher concentrations, essential oils can be irritants, so please do bear that in mind and always dilute properly. Now let's dive into the history of jasmine. It is also known variously as the Spanish jasmine, royal jasmine, Catalan jasmine, among others. It is a species of jasmine native to the South Asia, the Arabia Peninsula, East and Northwest Africa, and the Yunnan and Sudan regions of China. In India, its leaves are widely used as an aromatic herbal medicine, and its flowers are used to adorn the coiffure of women. In Pakistan, it grows wild in the Salt Range. Oh, my goodness, quite the mouthful there. Pretty sure I mispronounced about half those key words, but nonetheless, they are written in front of you, so do bear that in mind. Now let's do a quick glance at a DIY recipe. This is for floral body powder. 10 drops jasmine, 15 drops rose geranium, 4 drops clove bud, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. In terms of the instructions, you actually start with the cornstarch, measure it out, put it into a glass jar or spice powder container, then you add in the essential oils, then you tighten the cap and let the powder sit for a day and shake well before each use. Relatively simple and also quite cost effective as well. Depending on the container you put it in and depending on how liberally you use it, even this small amount will last you for quite some time. In any case, if you have any thoughts, questions, ideas, or concerns revolving around jasmine, please do put it down beneath in the comment section. And if you'd like to get your hands on this essential oil for one reason or another, please do consider using Rocky Mountain Oil. Links down beneath in the description. They've been a huge help to the channel. And as always, if you have any recipes of your own to share, please do so down beneath in the comment section as well. With all that out of the way, I hope you have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.